The Great Fire of London, 1666. The Great Fire of London started early in the morning on September 2nd, 1666, in a bakery on Pudding Lane. It began as a small fire in the shop of Thomas Fariner, the king's baker. But the summer had been hot and dry, and many houses in London were made of wood, which caught fire easily. Strong winds helped the fire spread quickly. Soon, the flames moved from house to house, burning everything in their path. People ran through the narrow streets trying to escape. Some carried their belongings, but many had to leave everything behind. The fire burned for 4 days, from Sunday to Wednesday. By the time it ended, the fire had destroyed a large part of the city, over 13,000 houses, 87 churches, and many important buildings. Even St. Paul's Cathedral was burned down. Around 100,000 people were left homeless, though only a few deaths were officially recorded. After the fire, people began to rebuild London. New rules were made. Houses had to be built from brick or stone, not wood. Streets were also made wider to stop fires from spreading so fast. The famous architect Sir Christopher Wren helped rebuild the city, including a new St. Paul's Cathedral. In 1677, the monument was built near Pudding Lane to remember the fire. Today, it still stands as a reminder of one of the most important events in London's history.